Cougar cubes, Cougar cubes, Cougar cubes. What is up with Cougar cubes? This is the first year of having these lunch boxes, and it's almost as though they've appeared out of thin air. Seeing as seniors have been here the longest, we asked them on their opinions on these lunch cubes.
I saw them during the beginning of this year. I don't know, it's just harder to get in there. The lines are so big because they combined all of it into kind of one thing. So. And it's just so clustered in there. I don't really like it, to be honest. I like the lines before.
So I first noticed them towards the end of last year. They were just kind of these big cubes just being built. Everybody was kind of like, what is this? Why is it here? And that's kind of my first impression. And then once I realized what it was, I started to become a lot more understanding. And now that we've had it for a couple months and I've been through it a lot now, I think it's a lot more organized and it's a lot easier to get your food now.
That's nice, but do they actually know why these cubes are here?
No.
I do not. I don't think many students do. They kind of just appeared on campus and we kind of all just went with it. If I did know, I would tell you, but I don't.
So even students who have been here the longest don't know why they're here. What about someone who has been here and even longer, and someone with even more knowledge? And that person is Mr. Parr, who is our principal and would have the most knowledge on this subject.
Part of the purpose is to allow safety from weather, and to provide appropriate coverage and safety for our employees who are serving food. But it's also to help to keep food cold and keep food warm. Prior to having those, we just had the food spread out on trays and plates. That's at district-sponsored facilities. We had talked about it. It's been a couple years in the making before they finally got what they wanted and designed properly.
So there goes the mystery of Cougar cubes. For SCTV News, I'm Hunter Haas.